This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your phone or computer and making sure the device you want to delete is powered and nearby. Open Settings and navigate straight to Bluetooth. You don't need extra menus. Once there, turn Bluetooth on if it's off and scan briefly so the system refreshes the list. You'll see a list labeled Paired or Connected. Locate the exact device name now. This initial check prevents removing the wrong entry and guarantees the device is visible for the next steps. You now select the device entry and open its details view. Look for commands labeled Forget, Unpair, or Remove and tap that option. Some systems show a trash icon instead. When a confirmation appears, accept it so the system deletes the pairing keys. Make sure to repeat on both the phone and the accessory when applicable, because some peripherals keep their own paired lists. If the name appears more than once, verify the MAC address or model. Before confirming, once you remove it, check that the device disappears from your paired or connected list. That confirms successful deletion. If it still appears, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart your phone and the accessory to clear cached entries. Make sure other nearby devices aren't auto-rejoining. If the problem persists, reset network settings on your phone or factory reset the accessory as a final step. Tip: if a device keeps reappearing, unpair it from any other host device first, and then delete it again here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.